I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can draw on your iPad but using on your Mac. So you can use your Apple, how can you use your Apple Pencil on your Mac? Just super cool, right? So what you have to do first is make sure here in settings. So when you are here in settings, make sure you click on, you go here to system settings, and you click on, you're gonna have to click on, where is it? So here in general, you're gonna have to click on AirDrop and handoff, and make sure you enable both of this. And also on your iPad, I'm gonna screen record my iPad so I can show you there. You're gonna have to enable something as well, really similar to what we're doing here, what we did here. So yeah, let's switch over to our iPad, and I'm gonna show you what you need to do. Here we have AirDrop, and then here we have, so AirDrop and continuity, and then here make sure you check all of this. Then that's what you need to do. And now let's switch over to our MacBook, and I'm going to show you the next step. And now what you need to do here, you're just gonna have to click on here. Oh, let me show you here. You're gonna have to click on here. So we click on here, and then here we have screen mirroring. Then we're gonna select mirror extend iPad, and here use as an external display. And then now, very easy, I can maybe take a screenshot, or actually let's open Figma, because I can you know, draw there. Very nice and easy. And now I'm just gonna move this here, and I can show you now that this should work just fine. So okay, and now as you can see, maybe I'll move this here. I'll take this, select this pen from here, and now I can draw. And it's kind of, you can draw on MacBook, but you're not drawing on MacBook. It's just a clickbait, but yeah, but you can use your pencil on your iOS. So yeah, it's very smooth, and it's not I don't feel any lag, any latency. Yeah, so I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.